Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. So today we are going to do the next question of our एग्रीकल्चर ऑप्शनल आंसर राइटिंग प्रैक्टिस जो हमारी एग्रीकल्चर ऑप्शनल आंसर राइटिंग प्रैक्टिस सीरीज चल रही है उसका नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन को आज हम लोग करने वाले हैं एंड टुडेस क्वेश्चन इज डिस्कस द इन्फ्लुएंसेस ऑफ ह्यूमन बीइंग्स एंड नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज ऑन इकोलॉजी एंड नेचर। जो हमारे हम जो ह्यूमन बीइंग्स हैं और जो नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज हैं उनका क्या इन्फ्लुएंस है इकोलॉजी पे और नेचर पे। एंड दिस क्वेश्चन वाज आस्क्ड इन 2022 in agriculture optional paper of IFOS examination, that is Indian Forest Service examination. So we will see how to approach this answer. First of we all know that human beings are highly dependent on nature. Without nature there is no survival of anything. Nothing can survive. No survival. So human beings are highly dependent on nature for their demands, for the fulfillment of their demands, for their survival. But certainly with time our demands has increased and our demands has been rising beyond limits, and that is influencing very negatively on ecology and nature. So that is why this question is asked. So we will see how we approach this answer. First of all, influences, first of all, interdependence. All are interdependent. If human beings do something bad, if human beings do something negative, that will certainly affect the nature. So we all know that everything is interdependent. We all know about food web, we all know about food chain, similar things. If anything will be destroyed in this chain, this is the chain, if anything will be destroyed in the chain, then whole chain will be affected, whole chain will be destroyed certainly. So this is what we can write, that everything is interdependent and a bearing on one thing influences the other. Not only human beings influences nature, but also nature influences human beings. A simple thing, suppose we say earthquake. Earthquake, a natural event which happens in the nature, affects the human beings very roughly. The human beings have to suffer from the natural disasters, natural consequences. So both are interdependent with each other, and what one does is in the what one does highly influences the other. So this is one of the major things we need to know. And what human beings has done with time, they have over exploited the nature, over exploited the natural resources. We all know that our natural resources, especially the fossil fuel based, or you can say timber, forest, coal, petroleum, these are all the natural resources which are very much over exploited by humans. Our population is rising day by day and our demands are rising beyond the limits, and these over exploitation is leading to pollution, huge pollution in the nature, and this pollution is affecting very negatively in the nature. We all know that our animals, due to the population pressure, pollution, and you can also due to population pressure, there is a huge habitat destruction of animals. Not only habitat destruction of animals, but destruction of all the forest which act as habitat. So what is happening, all the animals are going towards extinction, and the natural cycle which was present, the natural food web, the natural food chain which was present, is highly impacted by our human needs. So pollution has increased a lot, population has increased a lot, and these things all are influencing the nature and the ecology in a very negative way. So this is how we can approach the answer. You can write these points. Look, nature has the capability of replenishment and regeneration. Nature can replenish itself, but when this cycle, the replenishment cycle, is not that fast as the cycle of extraction is, we are extracting in very huge pace, and this pace is very enough from the replenishment pace of the nature. We all know that there is water cycle, there is uh, other cycles, air cycles, there is carbon cycles. So all these things are highly impacted by human beings, and the extraction of all the things, let it be water only, the groundwater level is going very down. And why it is happening? Because the replenishment level has over is so much low as compared to extracting, and this is leading to unsustainable practices, and this is leading to us unsustainability. We are always taking highly focus on sustainable practices, sustainability, that if we not go towards sustainable practice, this regeneration capacity of nature will be very much lost, and we have to face the consequences in the near future. We all know that how the consequences has started. Many cities are facing the water crisis. Many areas in the world are facing so much of problems due to due to the lack of natural resources such as water. Soil is becoming unfertile. So humans are highly dependent on nature, but due to our unsustainable practices, the nature is depleting. The natural resources are depleting, and that will affect us. Human activities and ecology and nature. The same point, I think we all know that everything is interdependent. For agriculture, for food, we are dependent on nature. For fuel, we are dependent on nature. We dependent on nature, but our practices has become so unsustainable that that is leading to the loss. So that is what we need to control. So I think this was a kind of philosophical question: how human beings are influencing, how natural resources are influencing and nature. We all know, and you have to write some common points: pollution, over exploitation. We have to discuss the interdependence between the both. We have to discuss that our needs have grown so much that we have surpassed the regeneration capacity of the nature. That is why unsustainability is rising. That is why the negative influence are rising. So that is how you can approach the answer. For I think you must approach the answer like this, and I hope you are able to understand all the things. And there is nothing difficult in this. You can write it your own way how you want to approach this answer. So that is all for today. Please do like, please do share, and please do subscribe. It takes a lot of hard work to make such videos for you on regular basis. And if you like, and if you subscribe, and if you share, it motivates us to make much more such videos for you on regular basis. So that is all for today. Have a nice day. Thank you. And I must say here that we have completed the agriculture optional IFS. When it comes to agriculture optional paper, we have completed 2021, 22, 23, and before 2020 it's covered in the notes and my static courses, so you can refer it. Before 2020, everything is covered in the playlist videos. I mentioned course. There is no course available. Everything is available in the playlist only. Agriculture optional paper 1 and 2 static videos. We have now started for IFS once. We have completed the IFS for 23. Now we are completing 22, and certainly we will complete 21 and 20 also, the recent years, so that it is helpful for you to prepare this optional. So that is all for today. Have a nice day. Thank you.